Hey everyone, I wanted to create an index for my blog, but not just using links to my own posts, but using links to my friends' posts as well. And I thought a really cool way to do that would be using an RSS feed. So I wrote up a little Python project today, and I'm going to show you. So let's take a quick view of the terminal here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but so I'm going to go into this RSS network folder to represent that project. And I created a extractor file to extract the RSS feed data, and then a transform file to take the RSS feeds and just pull out the links, and then I created an export file to export them into a YAML file, and then loop through that YAML file in a layouts folder. So all of that seems pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and I'll remove the links.yaml, and then let's generate it from scratch. So Python 3 main py, and now we can use nano to check out the links.yaml, and you can see we've got a bunch of links generated here, and they're sorted from most recent to least recent. Okay, so now let's move that links file, links.yaml, into the data folder. Okay, and now we can click bundle. Well, here we'll do a bundle. Exec, Jekyll, serve. Using these links. Go back to localhost. And now I can see that my friend posted an article slightly more recent than me. But here's the last article that I posted. And this works. So I'm pretty happy.